What is up guys, Stan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Figma to Webflow with new plugin. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Figma or you can type figma.com. So you will be welcome to the homepage of Figma. So if you are new to Figma, just sign in with your email or you can continue with your Google account and then type in your email password, or if you already have an account, you will be directly logged into the Figma's website. Now, after coming to the website, on your left side, you can see templates and tools. Click on it. And then on the right side, searching community, search for Figma to Webflow. And after searching, click on plugins. So you will see the plugins. So as you can see, Figma to Webflow plugin. This is the free one, and after that, click here. After clicking, you can open it in Figma Basics or your theme library. I'll just open it on Figma Basics. So after that, Figma to Webflow extension or plugin would be open here in the project, and you can just click on next. It will give you a brief intro about everything you can edit and then upload. So you can just edit your code or anything on the Webflow and then just simply paste it on Figma. So as you can see, this is the demo project and I can edit it from here. I can edit anything, and then after editing, I will just simply export it to my Webflow so that it will convert it into the code or anything that I want. So this is how you can convert Figma to Webflow on the websites. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.